Hey everyone. Today we're going to be exploring the unboxing video of the brand new ZTE Axon 40 Ultra Space Edition. This phone has some seriously impressive features, including a massive 6.8-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, 64-megapixel triple rear cameras, and a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. I'm so excited to see what this phone can do, so let's get started with the unboxing. As we open the box, we're greeted with a sleek and stylish design. The matte black finish gives it a premium look and feel. Inside the box, we have all the essentials: a USB-C cable and a 65-watt adapter for fast charging, a basic dark textured protective case, and a USB-C to 3.5mm headphone dongle, which is a nice touch since not many phones come with that nowadays. Overall, the retail bundle for the Axon 40 Ultra has everything we need to get started with the new phone. Now that we've unboxed it, let's take a closer look at its impressive specs. As I mentioned earlier, it has a massive 6.8-inch 120Hz AMOLED display, perfect for watching movies or playing games. The 64-megapixel main camera is perfect for capturing crisp and clear photos, and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor ensures smooth and fast performance. Overall, the Axon 40 Ultra is a high-performance device with some seriously impressive features. If you enjoy my videos and want to see more, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and turn on the notifications to stay updated on my latest uploads. Don't forget to share my videos to show your support, and feel free to follow me on Twitter and other social media platforms for additional content. I appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more exciting videos in the future. See you in the next one.